Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something very close to my heart, styling Indian wear for plus size women.
I'll try my best to cover every minute detail about it. So I hope you will like this video. So let's jump into the looks.
First up is this very stylish rayon cotton shirt dress. The navy blue color naturally creates a slimming effect, making it a great pick for plus size bodies. It's an A-line silhouette, which means it's fitted at the top and flares out gently from the bust. This helps cover the belly area beautifully and gives you a more defined shape without clinging to the body. Moreover, the collar and the 3/4 sleeves give it a very stylish look, and it comes with a detachable belt. You can move the belt as per your convenience and liking, and then if you want to change this look to an Indian look, you can pair it with leggings or plazos as per your liking. It's chic, comfortable, and perfect for both casuals and semi formal occasions. Next up is this very pretty sea blue maxi dress. Made from pure cotton, this dress is not just breathable and comfortable but also incredibly chic. It features a classic boat neck and 3/4 sleeves, adding a touch of elegance to the overall look. It's a single layer maxi dress with no added steps or panels, which keeps the silhouette clean and flowy. What makes this dress a winner for plus size bodies is its strategic fit. It hugs gently at the top and flares out from the bust, creating a flattering shape while offering total ease of movement. Despite its simplicity, this dress has a beautiful balance of modern and traditional vibes. Now, let's talk about this very elegant, pure black cotton umbrella cut maxi dress. Black is always a classic, and this dress takes it to the next level with its graceful flow and thoughtful details. Though the design is minimal, it's the little pop of color that truly shines, from the vibrant buttons on the front to the playful tassels at the back. There's also colorful lacework on the sleeves and also the hemline, which gives the whole outfit a modern yet Indianized touch. The umbrella cut is a dream for plus size bodies. It's fitted at the top and then dramatically flares out from the bust, giving a flattering and feminine silhouette with a touch of drama. What we love most about this dress is that it's inherently Indian. You don't even need traditional jewelry to style it, it speaks for itself. Next up is this elegant blue rayon three-piece maxi dress. It features an open front coat with subtle golden printed detailing, adding a festive touch. The inner maxi is plain with A-line stitching, fitted at the top and flaring at the bottom for a flattering silhouette. It also has a delicate embroidered design on the front. The look is completed with a pair of very comfortable plazos. Since I am 5'2", the plazos are mostly hidden, making it appear like a full maxi dress. But on someone taller, the plazos will be visible, giving the outfit a stylish blend of modern and traditional look. It's an classic A-line tailoring, fitted at the top and flowing beautifully from the bust down, making it super flattering for the plus size bodies. Next is this vibrant yellow pure cotton three-tiered midi dress. Though it may look like a maxi at first glance, it actually falls at midi length, making it perfect for casual or festive occasions. The dress features beautiful, colorful, traditional prints that give it a rich Indian aesthetic. With its fitted bodies and flowy silhouette from the bust down, it flatters plus size bodies by gently covering the belly bulges and creating a balanced shape. The breathable cotton fabric adds to the comfort, making it ideal for all day wear. While the dress is already quite ethnic in look, you can enhance its traditional vibe even more by pairing it with leggings. Last in the lineup is the stunning three-piece outfit featuring a navy blue gathered dress paired with a comfortable palazzo and a contrasting pink silk dupatta adorned with delicate gold detailing. The dress is beautifully designed with gotapatti lace on the sleeves and elegant tassels at the back, giving it a minimal yet sophisticated look. The boat neck makes it perfect for accessorizing with chunky statement jewelry, adding a festive flair. The silhouette is flattering for plus size bodies with a fitted bodies and layered flare from the bust, ensuring all body bulges are gracefully covered. This ensemble is a perfect blend of comfort, tradition, and elegance, ideal for festive gatherings, family functions, or any special occasions. Since this design is so simple and so classy, you can wear this top as is without the plazo and dupatta. I hope you enjoyed these style recommendations specially curated for plus size bodies in Indian wear. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. It really helps us grow. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more style tips, fashion finds, and body positive content, also DIYs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.